guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a very quick video because I just wanted to show you how I created this makeup look. This makeup look is the one that I actually wore on my last video, and I really love how I did this makeup look, so I just wanted to share it with you. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look and what products I used, then keep on watching.
Okay, so I'm using the Malika eyeshadow palette by Blush Tribe, and these are the 4 shades that I'll be using. To start off, we're gonna use Rani as our transition color, and I'm basically applying this with a very fluffy brush just to give some definition to my crease. This shadow is seriously such a beautiful transition color for my skin tone. The second shade will be Munasa. I think that's how you say it. It's a beautiful pinky shade, but it's more of a hot pink color, if that makes sense. So I'm applying this one mostly on the outer V of the eye, just with a smaller blending brush. Using my blending brush, I'm trying to create this V shape on the outer part of the eye. Now it's time to cut the crease. I have been so into doing makeup looks with half cut crease or even a halo cut crease, just because I feel using concealer intensifies any eyeshadow so much more. Now the third shade, it's called Alia. I think that's how you say it, and I'm using my finger to apply it directly onto my eyelids. Once again, I just find that using your fingers gives you the most color payoff. I just think that eyeshadows look so much brighter when you use your fingers. And then of course, I will be switching to a makeup brush to do the area where the line and the cut crease is, to make sure that it's as clean as possible. And you always want to take a blending brush to blend out any harsh lines. Now I'm going back to Munasa, and I will be applying this on my lower lash line. This is a beautiful shade, honestly. It just looks so pretty, especially right now for spring, and please don't mind my funny faces. Of course, I'm blending this out with a blending brush, making sure that everything looks blended. Now the last shade will be Mahida. This is beautiful hot pink shade. I just wanted to do something different in the inner corner, and I decided to use this shadow. Don't you think it looks beautiful? I think it's a beautiful pop of color. Lastly, I'm completing my eye makeup by applying mascara, tight lining my lash line. I'm using Koko lashes that I actually apply off camera to save time. Lastly, for lips, I'm using this Makeup Revolution matte lip kit in the color Peach Charming. This is a beautiful shade, but I do have to say that the lip liner is a little bit darker than the actual lipstick. However, once you apply both, they actually look very pretty.
So this wraps up this quick makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, you know the drill. Don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't joined this little family, subscribe to my channel down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.